Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to create and upload your own tester for Comp 250. This is assuming you have a tester and you have your assignment and you'd like to share your tester with other students. There's a different video for if you'd like to download somebody else's tester or if you'd like to modify it. So here I'm showing you guys how to share your tester and how to do it safely without sharing your assignment files. So let's get on started right away. Here I've got a GitHub open, and this is a site you guys could use to share. It's a lot better than using something like Google Docs because it lets you collaborate on code in a way that's very easy to use, and you'll find that it's also what's used in the industry. So when you get an internship or you're working at a company or you're working in a future course in programming, you'll be using GitHub, or at least Git, which is like sort of the back end of it, to share your code and to collaborate with people. So it's a great thing to learn as well. You want to create an account. If you already have one, you can just sign in, but you can sign up with it. It's really simple. I'm going to sign in since I already have mine. And then I'm just going to make sure I'm signed in on my browser. It's important that my browser is signed in before I start. Now I'm going to open my IDE. I've just got IntelliJ here. You could use Eclipse, but Eclipse is much harder to use for this. The GitHub integration on IntelliJ is very easy to use, and for that reason, it's usually the IDE of preference for sharing debuggers. Not Edge, I want IntelliJ. Alright, so here I've got my IDE, and I'm signed into GitHub on my browser. So now all I have to do with my project is I have to click VCS, share project on GitHub, and here I need to add an account. Sometimes this share by and add account button isn't there depending on your version. If that's the case, you can just click share, and it'll prompt you to log in. I'm going to log in via GitHub. It's going to open the GitHub web page, and since I'm already signed in, I can click authorize in GitHub, and it's successfully been authorized. Now I'm logged in, and I can click share. But there might be a problem. Let's see. I'm going to uncheck all my files that are not the tester. So that's very important. Make sure that you uncheck all of your assignment files and only keep the tester. You click add. And now it says, oh, it can't publish to GitHub. And I've created an empty repository. If I click on event log, it says, can't finish sharing process. Please tell me who you are. Now, this is a Windows issue. And the way you fix it is you open git bash. It should have just installed with this. And it's because it hasn't set your email or your name. It's just a little thing with Windows. It's a quirk. And we can resolve it by just copying this command from the error into here. And instead of having it say you at example.com, we'll just put your email. So for me, I'll just put my McGill email. And git bash is a little bit annoying because you can't always click on stuff. And to paste, you have to right click. But I'm going to place my email. Nice, and now I'm going to put my name. So let's just do that here as well. Just paste that in. And my name, I'll have it as Sasha from this demo. Right, now I've got my name and everything. So now if I try again, I can click this green checkbox, which will commit everything. That means it'll upload all my changes. I'll say sparkles emoji, and to put emojis, I just put these colons, and I'll say initial commit. Sparkles. And now I'll click commit and push. And now click push again, and we'll see on our website, if I actually open on GitHub this repository, we'll see that it's actually uploaded. So if I go back to my page, I click repositories, and I see this assignment 1 tester. It says initials commit, and it looks like I spelled sparkles wrong on my first emoji, but the second one worked. Anyways, I've committed this, and I've noticed my assignment files are not here. Now here's another very important step. We'll go into our project and we'll select all of our assignment files. We'll right click on them and we'll click git, add to git ignore, add to git ignore, create. Now we'll have this file called git ignore, and what it'll tell it is it'll tell GitHub not to look at those files. So I'll say, maybe stop, or maybe and what's a good emoji? Now I'll just do sparkles again because it's the only one I remember the name of. Sparkles. Spell it correctly this time. Add git ignore, which will stop my assignment files getting uploaded. Sparkles. Right, and that will be that. So commit and push, and yes, again, to upload your changes, you commit and push. And now, my changes should be good to go. I've got my repository here, and I've got my git ignore file. So this will stop me from screwing up. Now if I make changes to my awesome tester, let's say I also system.out.println hello world at the end, and I click this checkbox at the top to upload the changes, and I'll say add a message, we'll see that it is uploaded. Then for the message, you don't have to put anything specific. It's just for you. It's not like anybody's going to be reading it. It's just so you can keep track of what you've changed. Now I look into here and I see that my awesome tester now has this uploaded on the internet as well. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your debugging. Hopefully you guys can create some awesome testers that will give you excellent grades. And hopefully this guide was clear for you. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask on Piazza or come to my office hours or any such thing. And stay tuned for the next videos where we'll show you how to download other people's testers and also how to test your code with a tester. Thank you so much.